Good morning, fellow graduates of the extraordinary class 2024. Can you all believe it? We accomplished. All of us are winners. Let's echo this, shall we? Say we are winners in 3, 2, 1. We are winners! Just a couple of years ago, we packed our bags and walked into this vibrant campus, a sea of new faces, filled with hopes and dreams. And after this incredible journey, look at us now. Today, we celebrate not just these diplomas that we are about to be honored, but the incredible journey that brought us here. We learned resilience, pushing through setbacks and late nights, fueled by coffee and determination. We discovered the power of teamwork, collaborating with classmates on projects and forming friendships that will last a lifetime. We juggled a demanding curriculum that stretched our minds, all while participating in numerous competitions and case studies. The undergrads providing social services, and both the graduates and undergraduates participating in organizations we cared about. We also applied for and secured internships that provided real world experience and, of course, squeezing in time for those unforgettable social moments with friends. Oh, this is so much to even list down, and we actually did all of this. The journey wasn't easy. We balanced late night study sessions with early morning shifts, learned to manage times like absolute ninjas, and most importantly, discovered the strength within ourselves that we might not have known existed. Through it all, the University of Texas at Dallas stood right behind us. The flexibility of the curriculum allowed us to explore diverse interests and chart our own academic path. Me, with a background in finance and cutting, and all the people here with diverse backgrounds in sociology, business, design, arts, sitting in the same class would have never been possible if it was not for the accepting culture here at UTD. The unwavering support and the plethora of knowledge we received from our exceptional faculty members when we sat in awe when they taught us difficult topics with such ease. We wouldn't be here today without their dedication towards making us successful. Our UTD staff members tirelessly provided guidance and encouragement every step of the way, and were always on the lookout for ways to make us succeed. Can we have a huge round of applause for everything this campus, the teaching faculty, and the staff have done for us? Thank you. But let's also not forget the unwavering support we received from outside these walls. Please look at your family in the audiences today, or remember them if they're not in this room. Can we have a huge round of applause for our families, for everything they have done and sacrificed for us? I personally would like to thank my father, Mr. Amar Jhunjhunwala, and mother, Mrs. Sujata Jhunjhunwala, for making me who I am and making me believe in limitless possibilities. I would also like to thank my husband, Mr. Neeraj Agarwal, for being my partner and support every step of this journey. All your endless love, encouragement, and late night care packages fueled our determination and kept us going, even on the most challenging days. Thank you for believing in us, for celebrating our successes, and for being our biggest cheerleaders every step of the way. And now, as we embark on the next chapter, we don't embark alone. We join a vast and vibrant network of over 140,000 UTD alumni. This network represents a powerful resource, a community of individuals who understand the unique challenges and triumphs of being a UTD graduate. This network isn't just a number, it's a potential mentor, a future colleague, or simply someone who shares that special UTD connection. Don't hesitate to reach out, because you never know who might become an invaluable part of your future journey. And also, don't hesitate to be someone for others when your chance comes. The world awaits class of 2024. We are a generation of innovators, problem solvers, and change makers. We have the knowledge, the skill, and the unwavering UTD spirit to tackle any challenge that come our way. Let's go forth and make a positive impact on the world. Let's continue to learn, to grow, and to inspire. Congratulations, graduates. We all accomplished and are true winners here. Yeah. Sorry.